Hi, here we have a body which is going from A to B with a speed of 40 km per hour. After reaching B, the same body is returning back with a speed of 60 km per hour. Okay, so this body covering equal distance in two journey. So we have to find the average speed in this case. Okay, so before that we have to write the equation for average speed, that is V average equal to total distance covered by total time taken. So this is equation for average speed. Then here total distance is, let us take this length as x. Okay, so x is from A to B, another x is from B to A. So there is total 2x distance divided by, so for traveling from A to B, let us assume the time is t1, and for traveling B to A, let us assume the time is t2. So these are two times. Then we have to write what is t1 and t2. For t1 we can write like distance by speed is time. So from A to B, distance is x, speed is 40 km per hour. Then t2, again distance by speed, distance is again x, then speed is 60. So we can substitute these two terms in here. Then we get 2x by, for t1 let us substitute x by 40 plus t2 x by 60. Then let us take x outside, then we get 1 by 40, 1 by 60. Let us cancel x, so we get 2 by, cross multiplying 40 and 60, we get 60 plus 40, 100 by, yes, then after cancelling these two terms we get 48 km per hour. So this is our average speed on this journey from A to B as well as B to A. So here again we have a body, let us take it as a train. So a train is covering 60 km from these 2 points, and the first 30 km, that is this one, is covering with a speed of 30 km per hour. Then next 30 km per hour or next half, the train is moving with a speed v. We don't know that speed, but we know that the average speed of this train in the whole journey is 40 km per hour. Okay, so using these conditions we have to find the speed v for the second half motion or journey. Okay, so again we know average speed equal to total distance by total time. So total distance, let us take 30 km plus again next 30 km. So these are total distance, 60 km. Then total time, again let us take t1, t2. So in the numerator we get 60. For t1, what is t1? Distance by speed. So in the first half the distance is 30, the speed is 30. So t1 equal to 1 hour. 1 plus what is t2? In the next half again the distance is 30 km, but the speed is v, we don't know. So instead of t2 we have to substitute 30 by v, and we know this value, that is 40 km per hour. We have to solve this equation in order to get this v. Okay, for that I am taking this denominator into left side. So 40 into 1 plus 30 by v equal to 60. Then I am multiplying this 40 into the bracket, so we get 40 into 1, 40, then 40 into 30, that is 1200 by v equal to 60. Then 1200 by v equal to, let us take this 40 into left side, sorry right side, 60 minus 40, that is 20. Here let us take the reciprocal of this term and this term. So we get V by 1200 equal to 1 by 20. So V equal to, we can take this 1200 into right side, then we get 1200 into 1 by 20. So after cutting this we get 60 kilometer per hour. So this is our second speed for this journey in the second half. Okay, once again here we have to cover a distance x meter or kilometer, whatever. So to cover that distance we are moving with different speeds, 3 different speeds, that is u, v, w. Okay, so in the first it is not half, it is one third of this distance covered by u speed, and next 1/3 is covered with speed v, next 1/3, that is last one, covered with w. So we have to find the average speed here with 3 speeds. Okay, so I will write this distance as x by 3, x by 3, x by 3, both are equal. Then again our equation for average speed is total distance, that is total distance is x by 3 plus x by 3 plus x by 3. And then our time t1 plus t2 plus t3, because 3 kind of journeys there. So for t1 we know it is distance by speed, that is x by 3 by u, t2 x by 3 by v, t3 x by 3 by w. We can substitute this values in here. So in the numerator we know it is just x, and for t1 it is x by 3 by u, x by 3 by v, x by 3 by w. So taking x common, and also we can write these 3's in this denominator part. Okay, so x by x into 1 by 3u, like this, 1 by 3v, 1 by 3w. Okay, so cutting this, so here we have to take the LCM. So what we get, 3u into 3v into 3w, and here we get 9vw, 9uw plus 9uv. Okay, it is just a LCM method or cross multiplication method, you can do in any method. Then let us take the reciprocal. So that is 2 into 27 uvw into numerator, 27 uvw by 9. Let's take the 9 common. So uv plus uw plus vw. Let us cut this. So our final equation is 3uvw by uv vw uw. This is our average speed in this case when we cover a distance with 3 different speeds. Okay.